The Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, in collaboration with the federal government, has taken a step in mitigating the effects of insurgents and conflict on livestock husbandry and value chains for the Nigerian systems. This intervention is coming as the FAO is training livestock experts in Nigeria on the livestock emergency guidelines and standards to ensure high standards in livestock-based emergency responses. Justin Bemuni reports.
Reports from the CBN indicate that animal production, projected to become the most important in terms of value addition by 2020, presently accounts for 1/3 of Nigeria's agriculture GDP. And livestock rearing, a major livelihood in most parts of Nigeria, particularly in the north, which houses an estimated 70% of all ruminants and about 80% of the nation's cattle, is also a focus in the report. However, the potential promises of the subsector have come under serious threat in recent times, subject to an unprecedented range of challenges like climate-related shocks, volatility of local and global markets, armed conflicts, cattle rustling, and allied crimes. Consequently, the Livestock Emergency Guidelines and Standard Training are a set of international guidelines and standards for the design, implementation, and assessment of livestock interventions to assist people affected by humanitarian crises, especially livestock-owning households.
Let's, therefore, aim to support both saving of lives and saving of livelihoods through two key strategies: assisting in the identification of the most appropriate livestock interventions in emergencies and providing standards, indicators, and guidance notes for these interventions based on good practice.
Simply put, participants will learn how to, one, provide immediate and urgently needed benefits to crisis-affected livestock-owning communities. Two, protect the livestock-related assets of these crisis-affected communities. And lastly, to assist households in rebuilding their key assets so that they can recover in a timely manner.
FAO believes that timely and appropriate livestock interventions are key to boosting resilience and freeing households from dependence on food distributions and other forms of assistance. The workshop underway in Abuja is a 5-day program. Justin Bemuni, NTA News.